how to use Miniswap. Hi, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to set up an account, how to use Miniswap. So let's get started. So first you need to know what is Miniswap. Miniswap is an decentralized cryptocurrency exchange, and it's a multiple decentralized exchange. It's not a simple, it's multiple decentralized exchange that allow us to run on the blockchain and the swap token, and to create and swapping services with a minimum fee and the best experience. And with the innovative idea, you can bring the new strategy and go with some minimal cost, minimum time, and also maximum convenience. So let's simply get into it. First, all you have to do is to go on Google and go type miniswap.com. Once you're done, you will see a landing page like this over here, Miniswap. So this is official page of Miniswap. If you scroll it down, you will see a lot of different options, like you can earn from Zap, and you also create a mobile wallet. And over here you will see a lot of different tokens and their prices on the basis on the 24 hours and on the market price and on the APR price. These are different tokens like Min, WMT, LQ, ADA. These are different tokens you have to purchase them by their marketing price. And over here you will see dive into the wall of DeFi. These are the two Miniswap part that you're gonna orient it with these loops, and over here you will need a lot of different loops. So let's simply get into it. First, all you have to do is to go launch app, and over here it will take to another landing page. So yeah, over here, what's new Miniswap? Okay, no problem. So we're gonna go and connect wallet over here, so simply click on that. So you will see a lot of different options. You have to connect the wallets like Min wallets, Nami, Flint, internal, and these are all the different wallets you have to connect over there. So simply click on Nami. I'm gonna choose that one. You have to install them first. Yeah, okay. It's still loading. Okay, so like in this page you will see an interface like this. This is the official page of Miniswap. You will see the option add liquidity, zap in. You will see the exchanges and their graphs, and these are the pairs, the tokens pair, like ADA with a pair of Min and ADA with WMT. These are the tokens pair. Let me show you, but before we're gonna choose that one, like if you go on trade, you will see the pair and their graph. It will decreasing and increasing as well, and 1 hour and 15 minutes. A lot of different time structure over there. And if you want to extend, let me show you like how this is from ADA. You will select a token over here, like I'm gonna go with WMT. So if you just go 100 ADA, it will gonna be $39 over here. And if you just create into WMT exchange, so you will see you will get 236 WMT in the base of $39. So you can also exchange, you can also pair with these limit prices. This is also trade method. And over here you will do the liquidity options. You will see add liquidity and gel liquidity and the Zapier options. And your farm, you will see a lot of different options here. These are all. And if you go in the launch box, you will see a launch box brought you to buy cash for everyone. So how it's work? It's simply like you have to deposit ADA and to redeem LP token and participants supply ADA entering the periods of the price, discovery, and liquidity. So over here you will see like the liquidity options and the launch box. Simply get on over here. Okay. Yep. So you will see, as I told you, a lot of different tokens here. If you're gonna scroll around, you will see a bunch of different pairs. ADA with a green, ADA with the NTX, ADA with a clay. So these are the tokens pair. So once you connect your wallet over, it's still loading. Once you connect your wallet, it you will actually sign up this app, this interface, Miniswap. Once you connect your wallet, you're able to buy and sell complete by decentralization and exchange, and with a minimum cost and the minimal time. So once you connect, you will able to use that and getting benefit from this platform. So this is how you can create an account to connect your wallet. You can use this app, you can use this website Miniswap. So if you liked that video, make sure to subscribe this video, and I will catch you on the next video. Thank you.